Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Solana open interest hits record high. Will Sol top $200? Next, Ethereum set for a monster rally as price nears $2,900. Also, billionaire Mike Novogratz says big step change underway for crypto industry following Trump victory. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Solana open interest hits record high. Will Sol top $200? Sol is up more than 20% this week, and data suggests that the rally will continue. Solana's native token, Sol, surged 22.5% between November 5th and November 7th, reaching its highest level in 7 months. This rally mirrored broader altcoin gains, which rose by 17% as Bitcoin reached a new all-time high on November 7th. A significant portion of the bullish momentum can be attributed to President-elect Donald Trump's victory in the United States presidential election and the Republican Party securing majority control of the Senate, which suggests the potential for more innovation-friendly regulations in the cryptocurrency sector. Sol's rising demand was accompanied by a jump in leveraged positions, with aggregate open interest for Solana futures reaching an all-time high on November 7th. Despite the higher risk of forced liquidations in the event of a Sol price correction, derivatives data points to further upside potential. Sol futures open interest surged to 21.1 million Sol on November 7th, an 11% increase from the previous week and a new high in nominal terms, reaching $4 billion. This reflects a strong adoption of Sol derivatives, suggesting rising institutional interest but also introducing potential risks. Large futures positions can be monitored, which may lead to whales becoming targets for entities looking to profit from short-term market volatility. In derivatives markets, however, long and short positions are always balanced, meaning the funding rate offers a window into which side is seeking more leverage. Currently, the 8-hour Sol funding rate stands at 0.017%, equating to roughly 1.5% monthly, indicative of a neutral to bullish sentiment. Typically, during periods of heightened market excitement, the leverage cost for longs can rise to 2.1% or more, so the current rate suggests moderate optimism, potentially supporting further upward momentum. Strong on-chain metrics support continued price growth for Sol. Some analysts argue that Sol's recent price gains were largely driven by a surge in meme coins. Platforms like the Pump.Fun token launch and the Radium Decentralized Exchange, or DEX, saw significant boosts from the meme coin frenzy. However, broader developments within the Solana ecosystem could propel Sol's price to $200 and higher. Critics such as Catfish Fishy highlight the potential for pump-and-dump schemes orchestrated by insiders, a small group of affluent investors who control a large portion of the supply and leverage influencers and paid endorsements. The post also notes that part of the TikTok audience is underage, raising concerns about potential regulatory scrutiny. The speculation that meme coins are the primary driver behind Sol's rise to $194 overlooks key factors such as Solana's total value locked, or TVL, which reached $6.64 billion on November 7th, a 22% increase from the prior month, according to DeFi Llama data. Significant gains were seen in sectors like liquid staking, perpetual futures, leverage and lending, and others beyond meme coins. As long as on-chain metrics remain robust and Sol derivatives show no signs of excessive fear or greed, the Solana network's competitive advantage, offering fast and relatively low-cost transactions, will continue to provide free marketing and capture a significant share of users driven by Bitcoin's all-time high. Overall, there are no indications of weakness, suggesting a clear path for even higher Sol prices. Let me pause here for a moment If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Ethereum set for a monster rally as price nears $2,900. Ether traders argue the asset is still too cheap and is due for a monster rally as it neared the $2,900 price level. Ether has risen almost 25% since the start of 2024, yet analysts argue it's still undervalued and ready for a significant surge after Bitcoin rocketed past its all-time high this week. I think that ETH has a very real chance of going on a monster rally now, pseudonymous crypto trader Byzantine General said in a November 6th X post. Ether due for more upside, says analyst. Since November 6th, Ether has risen 9.66%, trading at $2,846 according to TradingView data. It marks the first time Ether has crossed the $2,800 price level since August. Some traders expressed surprise at the price spike. Fathom the unfathomable, crypto analyst Miles Ducher wrote in an X post noting that ETH is outperforming BTC and Sol across the same 24-hour period. Meanwhile, crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen told his 876,700 X followers that Ethereum's value against Bitcoin may have already reached its lowest point. In a November 6th X post, Cohen said that if the ETH to BTC ratio can get above the simple moving average, or SMA, there is a good chance the ratio has bottomed. On November 6th, the ETH to BTC ratio rebounded by 5.36% since November 5th, reaching 0.038 after Cointelegraph reported it had hit new multi-year lows at 0.03496. When the ETH to BTC ratio reaches what's seen as a low point, traders start speculating that a surge could be on the way, viewing the asset as a potential buying opportunity. Crypto trader Ryan Crypto said the Ether rally to $5,000 is going to be the most hated rally of all time. Ether's price is a good buy, suggests an analyst. 10T Holdings founder Dan Tapiero, who is confident about a $100,000 Bitcoin price tag, said Ether is too cheap. Gonna explode from here, Tapiero said in a November 6th X post, adding that Ether is going over $8,000 in the next year. Meanwhile, there are growing signs of more Ether adoption. On November 4th, Cointelegraph reported that the state of Michigan retirement system had added exposure to Ether exchange-traded funds. In a November 4th SEC filing, Michigan State Pension Fund disclosed holding 460,000 shares of the Grayscale Ethereum Trust and 460,000 shares of the asset manager's Ethereum Mini Trust. Our next top headline, billionaire Mike Novogratz says big step change underway for crypto industry following Trump victory. The chief executive of crypto asset management firm Galaxy Digital says that big changes are coming to the digital assets industry following yesterday's U.S. presidential election. In a new interview with CNBC television, billionaire Mike Novogratz says that not only are President-elect Donald Trump's stances pro-crypto, he's surrounded by individuals who will help the industry flourish. The crypto community showed up. There are now over 240 congressmen who the crypto pack thought were pro-crypto. We've got a Congress that is moving our way. We've got a president moving our way. And so for Galaxy, the crypto industry, I couldn't be more optimistic. According to Novogratz, the biggest victory comes in the form of a pro-crypto president and treasurer directing regulatory agencies, including the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, which have filed many enforcement actions against numerous crypto firms since 2020. I think the biggest thing is the OCC, the FDIC, the SEC, the regulatory chairs getting direction from a president and a secretary of Treasury that says, hey, we want to lead in this industry. Those three positions with someone who's open-minded to crypto and is pro-crypto changes everything. Allowing State Street and the banks of New York to custody crypto, allowing the banks to hold it on their balance sheet, will bring in billions hundreds of billions of participants into our ecosystem, and all of a sudden, we'll start seeing decentralized systems launched and work. And so this is really a step change. The Billionaire says to expect changes when the department heads are replaced by Trump, which he says should happen within half a year. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.